my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we'll be learning how to make origami thanks treat cups. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post a new video every single week. Would love for you to join this family. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the thanks cup, you're going to need 6 sheets of paper. These are 3-inch squares in fall colors. You need 12 mini squares as well. I have 6 in this hand and 6 in this hand. The one on my right are slightly larger than the ones on my left, and that is because I want it so that the white is going to go right on top of the orange and it's going to create a cute little border like this. You'll need some glue, a pen or a marker, and some mini treats to fill the cups with. Let's pick one sheet of paper, flip it around, and fold it in half diagonally to create a triangle. Now let's take this corner and bring it over to this side. So we're going to bring it over like this, and we're going to fold it on a diagonal. Just like that. Now you want to make sure that this side over here is parallel to this side at the bottom. Once you have that, you're going to crease it in and do the exact same thing on the other side. So we're going to take the flap, align this corner with this side, and then flatten. Then you want to lift this top flap only. There are 2 sheets, so we're going to take the top one and then fold it straight down. Crease it in. Unfold. And you'll notice that there is a slot at this first flap over here. So this slot over here, we're going to take this flap and stick it into that slot. And now you have a little cup. So let's put this aside and repeat the same thing with the remaining 5 sheets of paper. So now that we're done with the 6 cups, we're going to work on these little squares. We're going to grab a white square and glue it onto each one of the orange squares. You'll create a quirky little border like this. So now I'm just going to take my marker and write thanks. And glue a letter on each one of the cups. To open the cup, you're going to take your finger and stick it into this opening like this. And then you're going to take your opposite finger and you're going to give it a little curve to poof it up. And now you can fill it up with candy. And your thanks cups are done. I hope you enjoyed those thanks treat cups. If you would like to see more crafty fun videos, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. Also, if you would like to further support this channel, I do have Origami Tree swag. It says hello my crafty friends on it, and they're super cute. T-shirts, pillows, socks, towels, all sorts of stuff. I'll leave a link in the video description down below. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!